For AMC8, problem 17, and we have this counting problem here. So it says a chess king is said to attack all the squares one step away from it, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. For instance, a king placed on the center square of a 3 by 3 grid attacks all other 8 squares as shown below. Suppose a white king and a black king are placed on different squares of a 3 by 3 grid so they do not attack each other. In how many ways can this be done? I've drawn a sort of wonky grid here for us to test this out. And I think for this type of problem, the best way to do it is to casework. And by that, I mean have different sets of cases, right? So my first set would be um, a king in the middle, right? So let's say we have one king here in the middle. Let's say we have our white king here. But since we know that it attacks all 8 other squares, this case doesn't work. No matter where we put the black king, this case won't work. So we have 0 ways for this case. Now let's say we put the white king in a corner spot. So case 2 is the white king in a corner spot. And there are a couple of squares that the black king can be in, since it can only not be in these 3 squares. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are still available. So that's 5 for case 2. And for this case, we know that the white king can be in 4 other spots, right? This would be the same for all the other 3 corners, right? So instead of just doing 5, we know that in 3 other spots it would be the same. So it's 5 times 4, which is 20 for this case. Now let's put the white king in this middle spot here, middle edge spot, which let's make case 3. So now these are the spots the black king can't be in, and there's 3 more spots that it can be in. And because we also know that this middle edge spot has 3 other possibilities, so 4 middle edge spots in total, we know that the number of ways to do this should be 3, the number of places to put the black king, times 4, the number of places to put the white king. So this is 12. So our answer should be all of these cases added together. 0 plus 20 plus 12 is 32. So our answer should be E, 32. Let's check. Yep. All right. Thanks, guys.